Yes, we'll take some. All of us.
Got to practice some batting,
Yeah.
and of course you batted 1,000 against your illness, so that's really what matters. So thanks.
Talked incessantly about that, and fruits of the labors. We had 20-person roster this year, even that one game where we had. Thank you very much. So everybody just keep it up, keep coming back, and keep talking to other people, and let's have a great year again next year.
Well, before Brent, Rick, sorry, we have to change the order.
So every year I got to figure out what the category for this award's going to be. So with that batting order, because my help for the batting order was, yeah, Murray, that looks good. Can you get it out a little faster?
And I appreciate that. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Bring it inside, let it warm up a bit, and out of a batch like that, I could get 36 good softballs, ice up, and then when I'm out taking a walk at night, I have my satchel with 20 of these things in it. But this is kind of fun, actually. I can spend 10 minutes throwing 30 balls at this target, and I can move back.
Say some things about the team this year. Thank you.
Negotiating the contract already.
When I first came onto the team, it took me a couple of games just to get used to the rules and all the procedures that you had to do or not do. So that took a little bit. But overall, said and done, I don't regret it, and I'm glad I'm on this team. I played ball for over 40 years. I'm hopefully I can play another 40, or when I play as well as you, I get the age of you guys, right? Still continue playing.
Not gray hair.
But again,
As I can tell from how that went, age jokes are off limits.
Picture says 1,000 words.
Can you keep it real short? The only thing I want to say is,
Slow build.
thank you to the guys who make it easy for the rest of us to come out here and play this game. Guys like Javi, Yuki, the work that you guys put into the reports. I know it's not easy, you gotta take notes. I see Yuki taking notes all the time. Javi, I don't think takes notes, he just wings it.
that's all up here.
He knows I'm kidding. Javi and I have known each other a long time.
Yeah, I know. Anyways, this is my husband Jerry. I'm Jeannie. Maybe some of, no, you know what? Jerry, I think you know everybody. Yavi, Jessica, Lawrence, Trish, Denise, Sylvia, Dave, Ken, Edna, Keith.
I was gonna help you.
No, I know. Well, I'm not used to you without your help.
Yeah, you gotta have a
Alvin, Rick, Josh, new guy on the block, and I remember his name. I'm doing really good. Murray, Brent, and Kathy, Rob, Peter.
I thought to myself, yay, I'm gonna get back up to the A. Anyways, they, about 2 hours later, they came back in the room and they said, you know, we're gonna make you do this test. We're gonna get you to count backwards from 100 by sevens. I said, shit, by sevens, not tens. Because every day they make you do tens. It's a 10, 98, that's a piece of cake. Sevens, I thought,